Are you tired of traditional customer support methods and looking for a game-changing solution to engage with your customers? Look no further. ChatGPT is the innovative chatbot that will transform the way you interact with your customers, leading to increased engagement and ultimately boosting your sales. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI-powered chatbot, can significantly enhance customer engagement and boost sales for your e-commerce business. In today's digital age, providing exceptional customer experiences is paramount, and ChatGPT is here to revolutionize the way you engage with your customers. So, if you're ready to take your e-commerce business to new heights and increase your sales, let's dive into the incredible benefits that ChatGPT brings to your e-commerce business. Streamlined customer onboarding. ChatGPT plays a crucial role in streamlining the customer onboarding process. By engaging with customers in a conversational manner, it guides them through the initial steps of their journey. ChatGPT can provide personalized recommendations, answer common questions, and assist with account creation or product selection. This personalized onboarding experience sets a positive tone from the beginning, creating a strong foundation for customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhanced customer retention. Keeping existing customers engaged and satisfied is key to driving repeat purchases and fostering customer loyalty. ChatGPT excels in this aspect by providing personalized recommendations, sending targeted offers or discounts, and even proactively reaching out to customers for feedback or reviews. By offering tailored experiences and ensuring ongoing communication, ChatGPT helps strengthen customer relationships, leading to higher retention rates and increased customer lifetime value. Advanced conversational selling. ChatGPT takes conversational selling to a whole new level. It can engage customers in dynamic and interactive conversations, mimicking the experience of an in-store salesperson. By understanding customer preferences and needs, ChatGPT can recommend the most suitable products, address concerns, and even assist with product comparisons. This personalized approach significantly enhances the shopping experience and increases the likelihood of conversions, ultimately boosting your e-commerce sales. Efficient customer issue resolution. Customer support can often be a time-consuming and resource-intensive aspect of running an e-commerce business. ChatGPT automates and streamlines the customer issue resolution process, allowing for faster and more efficient support. It can handle common inquiries, troubleshoot technical issues, and provide step-by-step guidance for problem-solving. By alleviating the burden on your support team, ChatGPT enables them to focus on more complex and high-value tasks, improving overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. Upselling and cross-selling opportunities. ChatGPT is an expert at identifying upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Through intelligent analysis of customer data and purchase history, it can recommend complementary products or upgrades that align with customers' preferences. By leveraging these opportunities, you can increase the average order value and maximize your sales potential. ChatGPT's ability to suggest relevant add-ons or related items during the customer journey greatly enhances the upselling and cross-selling process. Seamless multi-channel integration. In today's omni-channel landscape, it's crucial to provide a seamless and consistent experience across various platforms. ChatGPT seamlessly integrates with multiple channels, including websites, messaging apps, and social media platforms. This allows customers to engage with your business through their preferred channels, ensuring a frictionless experience. Whether they're browsing your website, chatting on Facebook Messenger, or sending a direct message on Instagram, ChatGPT provides a unified and personalized experience, increasing customer satisfaction and sales potential. Data-driven personalization. ChatGPT's ability to analyze customer data empowers your e-commerce business with data-driven personalization. By understanding customer preferences, browsing behavior, and purchase history, ChatGPT can tailor recommendations and offers to individual customers. This personalized approach not only enhances the shopping experience but also increases the likelihood of conversions. By leveraging data-driven personalization, you can deliver targeted and relevant content that resonates with your customers, driving higher engagement and sales. Abandoned cart recovery. Abandoned carts are a common challenge for e-commerce businesses, but ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to combat this issue. It can automatically engage with customers who have abandoned their carts, sending personalized reminders or incentives to encourage them to complete their purchase. By re-engaging these potential customers, ChatGPT helps recover lost sales and increase your conversion rates. Its proactive approach in addressing abandoned carts can have a significant impact on your bottom line. Language support and localization. With ChatGPT, you can cater to customers from around the world by providing multilingual support. ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages, ensuring a seamless experience for customers regardless of their preferred language. Additionally, ChatGPT can be trained to understand and adapt to local cultural nuances, allowing for localization of conversations and recommendations. This language support and localization capability expand your reach and make your e-commerce business more accessible to a global audience. Continuous improvement and learning. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. As it interacts with customers, it gathers valuable insights that can be used to refine its responses and recommendations. With time, ChatGPT becomes more accurate and efficient in understanding customer needs and providing relevant solutions. This continuous improvement ensures that your customers receive the best possible experience and that your e-commerce business stays at the forefront of customer engagement trends. By leveraging the power of AI and machine learning, ChatGPT evolves alongside your business, driving long-term success. And there you have it, 4 additional benefits of using ChatGPT to enhance customer engagement and boost sales in your e-commerce business. Data-driven personalization, abandoned cart recovery, language support and localization, and continuous improvement are just a few of the ways ChatGPT empowers your business to deliver exceptional customer experiences and drive revenue growth. If you found this video valuable, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of our e-commerce insights series.